going on, y'all? So today we're gonna attempt to put on my sponsored rock lights by Zenon Lighting. Definitely anxious to see what these are talking about. So just to give y'all an idea of why I chose these, is definitely because of these. So there's 16 LEDs, and then there's there's 6 specifically that's white. They're supposed to be really bright. And I talked to the reps at Zenon Lighting. They offer the sponsorship, not a full sponsorship. If you're interested in these, I can get you 10% off if you can put in Zamunda 10 at the at checkout, and you'll get 10%. Be rocking with these bad boys here. So I'm just going through the packages, trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. Doesn't really come with directions, but it should be pretty standard. They also have wheel lights available, and the good thing about them is they have a triple roll wheel light. I might look into that later down the line, but as of right now, I have my rock lights already, and we'll just go from here. So I'm gonna unpackage these and just go from there. All right, so we have here is an 8-piece rock light, because I already have 8. I was thinking about going 16, but maybe later down the road. And then your extension wires, I guess the resistor and the Bluetooth controller is there. Also a fuse, inline fuse, definitely important. So I mean, the packaging looks real good. Everything seems to be really good quality. The rock lights have a, I guess, a durable weight to them, a quality shelling, casing. So we'll see. Let's get a move on it. All right, so I'm not going to be able to install the rock lights, but I did want to do a side-by-side comparison. These are the ones that were on the truck. Looks to be some kind of Amazon or whatever, and these are the Zenon. So you can see that has 3 LEDs, and these are just white. And then you can see these, it's a big difference. That's the difference. Size, LEDs, and everything. So, should be pretty good. And the reason why we can't install it today, because I thought that they were the same size rock lights, and you know, the screws would just go in the same holes, but I don't have anything to drill through this, so I'm gonna have to borrow something, and I don't have anything that can pierce through that, so it's gonna have to continue tomorrow, but tomorrow night we should be at it. All right, so we're on day number 2. Yesterday I got the lights pulled out. I got a drill, got drill bit, so we're gonna finish it up and see how bright it is, how good it is at night. All right, I wanted to point out some good things about this. As it came in the box, now the rock lights are in here, and I pulled out the wire. Let's see, I pulled out the wire, and they extend a good bit. And also they supply these extensions just in case you need them. So I don't know if we'll need them, but I might need 2 of them. But we'll see. But it's good. They are prepared for you, or they got everything you might need. So yeah. Alright, so we just got done running the wires, plugged everything up, just finished putting all the screws in, and this is what we got. Pretty damn bright. Yeah, I think I like it. But also in the app, magic lights, it's connected. So blue, green, red, purplish, blue. You also got the function of different shades of white. That's a low. Then you have an automatic button of 100% bright. Then another cool feature is the music. So I can select my music. Then another cool thing is this disco feature. Let's see. And it's going off the mic. So if I go, hello, hello, mic, check, which is pretty cool. And there's some other features, the camera, it matches whatever's in the thing, which is pretty cool. And I don't know what this is. Dark. Just with the atmosphere. So, yep. Definitely a lot brighter than my Amazon ones. Yeah, so I think they're pretty damn dope. I wish I got 16, but I think this will do for now. I got the wheel lights. They'll accent it pretty well. My wheel lights are super bright. I do want to try their wheel lights because they got the triple row, and I'm curious to see how bright that is because my wheel lights were pretty damn bright. So if you're interested in getting a set of these, definitely go ahead and check them out. I can give you 10% off. Definitely use Zamunda 10 at checkout and they'll get you 10% off these bad boys here. So definitely, I would definitely recommend them. Not just because I'm sponsored by them, just the quality of the lights. They're not plastic. They're billet aluminum. Seem to be pretty durable. And then you see there's this, well, you can't see, but there's one designated row of LEDs just for your white lights. So outstanding. Overall, the install went pretty smooth. Nothing I couldn't handle. Just a bunch of running wires. Had to drill in the screws because they're pretty big. So a good sign of durability there. So I wanted these installed before I put on the lift, put on the wheel lights and everything. So it's gonna be A1. But you already know the lift coming soon, the wheels, everything. So y'all stay tuned and check me out. Wow, this summer's about to be epic. And if you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and bow, catch you on the next one. Bow, someone a bitch.